In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. What was Shaytan's original name? Azazil. What was Shaytan created from? Fire. Which act caused Shaytan's fall? Disobedience. Whom did Shaytan refuse to bow to? Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him. Which of the following surah mentions Iblis by name? Surah Al-Baqarah. What is Shaytan's promise to Allah? To mislead. What action before entering the toilet protects from Shaytan? Dua. What surah is known for seeking protection from Shaytan? Surah An-Nas. How long did Shaytan ask to be given respite? Till Qiyamah. Shaytan is from which type of creation? Jinn. Shaytan whispers into what? Hearts. Shaytan is chained during which month? Ramadan. Shaytan uses what emotion most often? Despair. Shaytan encourages what in prayer? Distraction. The Quran says Shaytan is a clear what? Enemy. What did Iblis promise Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him, if he ate the fruit? Immortality. Who narrates that Shaytan runs in human veins? Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Where will Iblis ultimately go? Hell. What does Shaytan do when someone lies? Rejoices. What is Shaytan's goal when a husband and wife argue? Divorce. Who will be Shaytan's companions in hell? Disbelievers. What is the name of the Shaytan who sticks with each human? Qareen. What body part does Shaytan urinate in if one misses Fajr? Ear. What do devils try to eavesdrop on in the heavens? Divine decree. What do Shayateen do to divide people? Cause hatred.
Before you leave, let's recite the Shahada together. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. جزاك الله خيرا.